Yo, what is going on YouTube? Sosa Mendoza here and came out to another trail we're about to hike up. It's called the Herman's Glutch, if I'm being correct, but I can show y'all right here. Yup. So we're about to head up there, get as much footage as I can out here and share it with y'all. It's a pretty long trail, I would think, but I think there's a lot of scenery within this trail, so hopefully I can get some good scenery shots for y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Yo guys, check it out. Made it to like a somewhat close to the waterfall. I don't know if I get close over there, but I'm gonna show y'all what I can see from like right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a whole stream going down from right there all the way down to over there. And it's pretty dope. It sounds really nice. Hopefully the trail leads to like more of the waterfall so we can get up close with it and see what it's like. See it up close and personal. But I'm gonna continue hiking up, and whatever I see that looks interesting, I'll go ahead and show y'all too. Yo, what is going on, guys? I don't know if you guys are able to hear me right now, but this is like part of the waterfall. I haven't gone up much. I just came and checked this out. I got a lot closer to it. There's gonna be another video of like just the full-on waterfall just by itself in case you just want to watch that. But here I'm gonna show y'all a quick glimpse of it and just check it out. I hope y'all enjoy it. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna keep hiking up, show y'all as much as I can. I hope that y'all can hear me. If y'all can't, it's fine. I'm still gonna put it in the video. But yeah, I'm about to head more up, see what that leads to, see what we can see, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Yo guys, we made it to some field right here. It's pretty nice. Wanted to show y'all this before I started hiking some more. It's pretty dope. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now. That's how far I made it up. I still don't have no idea how far it goes up, but you know, we're still gonna do it regardless, unless there's snow, because that was last week's problem. But check it out, check it out. Look at these mountains. Check out these trees, taller than me. Check it out, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? Today's y'all's lucky day because there's a lot of snow, but I'm gonna walk through it. But yeah, check it. Just got done walking up all that snow down there, and who knows what this leads to, but yes, y'all's lucky day because we gonna make it to the top of the mountain. Y'all ready for this? Yo, what's up, guys? We're back. I made it to this whole like snow area, and there's mountains right up there. It's pretty dope, it's pretty nice. I'm thinking about going more down up there, but I'm also like thinking about hiking up. I'm not sure. I wish the camera can like get better footage of how like it looks out here, because I was sitting out here for a while just admiring the area. But yeah, that river we were checking out earlier is like right down over there towards that area right there. But yeah, you gotta walk through all this snow right now. But I was also thinking about like hiking up to that mountain up there just to see. But we'll see what happens. We got the whole day ahead of us, so we'll figure something out. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this, and let's see where it leads and takes me to. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm actually gonna end the video off right here. There's gonna be a part 2 of this video, but I want everyone down in the comment section below to comment which path you think I took at the end of that video. Did I take the path of hiking more down the trail, or did I end up climbing up the mountain? Comment that below. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone has a great day today, and thank you. Please like and subscribe.